Hi friends, today I'm here with a really healthy immunity boosting drink recipe which is perfect for winter. This is nothing but our good old turmeric milk. As you know, turmeric is well known for its antiseptic nature and healing powers. Here I'm going to make a fine powder with the fresh ingredients. To make a cup of drink, I'm using a small piece of cinnamon stick, a piece of dried turmeric, and some peppercorns and a small piece of dried ginger. Now I'm going to make this into a fine powder. You can use a mixer grinder to grind it, but I like the process of grinding everything in the mortar and pestle. Now my freshly ground turmeric mixture is ready. Now I'm going to warm up the milk. I'm taking 1 cup of milk and going to warm it up. Once the milk is warm enough, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric mixture. Along with that, I'm adding a teaspoon of powdered jaggery. You can replace that with coconut sugar or palm sugar. Now bring the milk to boil and simmer it for a few minutes. And now filter it and enjoy your drink. This is a magical drink which will definitely boost your immune system, and drinking it regularly will definitely enhance your health. Try it yourself and please let me know your feedback. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another video.